To create a new stock, go to Inventory, and on the stock table, select New. This will bring you to a new configuration page. You can start by entering the stock's name. You can choose a supplier. You should enter a supplier code. This should be unique to a specific stock. It's used for price updates when mapping from a vendor spreadsheet. Choose the stock's weight. And the parent size. Choose the color. If you know the finish. You can add existing tags or you can create new tags. So this will help you filter out stock selections when you're looking for something. So whether it's carbonless or color stock or text or cover or whatever it may be. You want to choose how you're going to price by. So most general stock is priced by piece, which just means by the sheet. Your other options are linear feet, which is normally for like a wide format roll stock. You have square feet, which can be for a wide format roll stock, or it could be for some kind of a substrate. And then you have weight, which is generally for web press stocks used with web presses. You can enter in the lift size. The default currently is set to 500. In this case, it could be 250. It could be 1,000. You enter in how much a cut cost is and how much you charge for a cut price. So this is the cut cost and cut price per lift. Enter in if this is a multi-part. So if this was a 3-part carbonless, you would enter in 3. That takes in effect the stock calculation on the job when it's calculating. If you know the M weight, you can enter it in. Currently, it's only informational. You can enter in the caliper if you know it. The GSM. You can enter in either the package or the carton quantity. It's for ordering purposes, so you want to do whatever you're going to order in. You can set it to be priced by carton, which means that if a client orders this, so no means just calculate the amount of sheets required for the job. If it's set to yes, cost-wise we calculate the amount of sheets required for the job, but price-wise we actually calculate the amount of sheets needed for the job rounded up to the nearest package quantity. If you're doing inventory, you can put in your location, your minimum order level. Then you can enter in your price per. So that's what your pricing is going to be based on. So it's $28 per 1,000. If at any point you're doing the web to print and you're going to offer different stocks to choose from online, sometimes the stock name isn't clear enough for a client, so you can give it an online name, which is a little bit more user-friendly. And you can select a GL revenue account if you've already allocated your GLs, and if not, you can wait and do it on the accounting page. Once you hit save, you'll be given the pricing and markup section. So in the pricing section, if you just have one price, you can just put in anything, just the one price, and the quantity can be one. We always go off we calculate off the cost. Right now the book cost is just informational. If you have multi-scales, like you get tiered pricing, you can add additional scales with the quantity being up to each scale. Markups, these came in as the default. These are what I have set up as the default markups. You can set them up to be anything. You can even customize them per job. So if you have additional scales, or if this particular one you want them all to be 40%, then we can get rid of the other scales.